going on, guys? Welcome back. This is part 2, day 2 of filming for the reveal that you guys have already seen. We are out today. We got a homie with a drone that's going to help us get some pretty sick shots. Hopefully they turn out good. I'm super excited. So we're out just goofing off, having a good time. I've been sick for the last couple days, so hopefully you don't hear me sniffling and coughing and stuff. I also moved the mic, that way you don't have to hear me sniffle and cough and stuff. Hopefully you can still hear me okay. Let's get it. I'm so happy with this bike. I love how it turned out. Loving it. Everything is gorgeous. Still needs some work. Still needs some work, but it's doing good. Ah, dang it. No! What? Huh? What? What are you, oh. First try. I got that too. I got that on camera. Redemption. I was about to get on the and go around and come in that way. What's up? Can you hear me? To like the 4th floor and take some clips for the video I'm about to put out. All right, see ya. Hey! I just keep running into you.
I know. I love it. I like that a lot.
What's up?
Sweetheart? What's up? That's a new shake.
Yeah, whatever that was.
Yeah, let me tell you, love. It's really nice. Fire photos.
You have a nice camera?
You have a really nice one. Shots of my bike.
Yeah, we had the bike over there when we came up and filmed earlier. I was gonna roll it right back there and take some like video clips of it. That was probably one of the best rides home I've ever had.
Supposed to feel